Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you complete your daily check-ins and get reward into Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application. And after opening the Bitget, you will get to see this icon into top left corner. Just simply tap into that, and after that, you will get to see this option of rewards into quick access. Just simply select this option of rewards into here. And after going into rewards page, you will get this option of daily check-ins directly. Now you just simply have to tap to daily check-ins and you will get this claim points everyday page into here. Now you will just simply have to tap to claim now, and after that your available rewards will be claimed. This way you can easily do all of the check-ins if you have any available into your application. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.